everyone. I am Mohammad Shofikul Islam, Faculty of Computing, University Malaysia Pahang, and I am very happy to get a chance as a participant on the 9th International Conference on Computer Science and Computational Mathematics, ICCSCM 2020. This is my paper's title, a review on recent advances in deep learning for sentiment analysis with performance challenges and limitations. Here is the list of authors. Outlines of my presentation. Introduction, architecture, related models or contribution, critical analysis on deep learning based recent approaches for sentiment analysis, drawbacks on deep learning models, challenges, limitation, and future works of deep learning model, conclusion, and references. Introduction, sentiment analysis. Motivation to sentiment analysis. People share their opinion over social media for a topic. It is necessary to analyze public opinion to help other users to know easily what happens exactly, and for this reason user opinion are used to predict the user interest. However, it is quite difficult and time consuming if a person analyze the people's opinion from 1,000 or more comments. Thus, researchers introduce a lot of approach to analyze the public opinion using machine learning or knowledge-based approach, dictionary-based approach, or everything. But the analysis process is called sentiment analysis. Here we present deep learning-based sentiment analysis because deep learning-based is most popular and with higher accuracy in sentiment analysis. So our review paper based on deep learning-based sentiment analysis. Our contribution, we have listed out 3 contributions. First of all, to present the complete description of sentiment analysis with deep learning model, architecture, datasets, tools, and methods, etc. To analyze critically on recent related works with their performance, advantage, and disadvantage, etc. To state overall drawbacks, challenges, limitation, and future works in sentiment analysis using deep learning. Application of sentiment analysis. Here in this table we listed out some application, most popular applications for sentiment analysis. First of all, social media opinion analysis, emotion analysis, road traffic congestion, event prediction, disaster prediction and analysis, product review analysis, movie review, restaurant review, stock market prediction, politics. And on the right side of the table, second column, we have added authors and years. Most of the cases we added recent research related applications, and most of our 2020 and 19, 18, 17. Now the architecture, deep learning based sentiment analysis architecture. Here we added the deep learning based sentiment architecture, basic architecture. Actually it have 7, 8 stages. First of all, the data collection from dataset, and second stage is natural language processing tools, and then extract information from the sentence. Here I have used the example of this is a good movies. This is the words of the sentence from the dataset, and then convert the text into integer, because every machine learning based approach works with the integer value, and then embedding, and then neural network approach, and finally tuning the parameter to predict the sentiment classification. And then the text embedding, I have already said about the text embedding, where I used text embedding used in the pre-processing of the text before the deep learning, before it applied to the deep learning model. I have added different types of text embedding which are more popular. Word to vector, bag of words, concatenated embedding with the SSWE word to vector, and word vector with pre-trained word to vec and skipgram, fast text, globe vector, BERT. Globe vector and BERT and fast text is most popular. I have added the features of text embedding and on related works recently, and details of the deep learning model with the text embedding. And then deep learning models. Deep learning model has three steps: pre-training, architecture, application, which are already shown in the figure. And in the pre-training section, text embedding is required, and then the deep learning model, and then application of the sentiment analysis. And then list of deep learning framework used in sentiment analysis. I have listed out the deep learning model: CNN, convolutional neural network; LSTM, long-term short-term memory; gated recurrent unit; and attention-based RNN, capsule network of RNN. Then description of S deep learning model, CNN and LSTM. CNN model is the fast and basic model in deep learning model to extract features automatically by converting the small data parts into high-level characteristics. There is the figure, sentence, tokenizer, word embedding vector, and CNN model, matrix model, and then output class. LSTM model is the next generation of in deep learning. LSTM is the part of RNN, and it has the advantage of that ability to keep and forget the informations. It's a great advantage. And LSTM has similar control flow as recurrent neural networks. It processes data passing of information and it propagates forward, and it operations had ability to keep information and forget information. Deep learning models, attention-based recurrent network and GRU gated recurrent unit. Attention mechanism has the ability to memorize the long sentence, and is in the figure we see that, and the forward and backward. And this the vector operation is done with the forward and backward operand. GRU layer is very good and does not need memory units. It's the gates advantage, and it has the two gates, reset gate and upgrade gates. Deep learning models, capsule-based network. Capsule-based network is more popular because it has less training time and simple network to achieve better performance. And Epsilon works to extract independent features. And here's the figure of routing process in capsule network and input vector by GRU, squashing, and routing process. And the critical analysis on deep learning model based approach, sentiment analysis. Critical analysis is shown. Here I have added the critical analysis table. First of authors and year, type, journal, tags, lexicon or dataset, approaches, sentiment analysis features, text, performance advantage and disadvantage. First of all, in 41 reference in 2019 hybrid, this type of hybrid, and IEEE Axis papers, journals papers, and opinion mining, movie review data, and CNN by GRU has used and also used in a capsule network. Accuracy is greater, 82.55 and 87.84 accuracy in LPC data, and it can extract independent features and also have the disadvantage layer do not reach enough with this operation for better performance. And the second paper in 2019, semi-supervised IEEE Axis, also I said dataset, and LSTM, CNN by by LSTM used, and accuracy 74.6, and XR6 emission Ekman models, and limited with the data. Performance is limited with the data of word embedding. And then supervised method, and then supervised method, its accuracy 75.82, sad, angry, happy emotions, lacking of handling context and semantics relation. Critical analysis continues, and this table in 2018 and conference paper use capsule network dynamic routing and got higher accuracy, 98.46 accuracy Kaggle data. And it disadvantage of this process is domain dependent, not suitable for others domain because it's work good for Kaggle data. In parts from OIL for domain dependent data toxicity classification. And then this method has the limitation of most do not perform with multi-domain, and the most domain-based feature select the attention based of this feature used to select the domain based feature. And the below the table is CNN based work, and this method comes with the breakthrough is the first invented CNN based model, and has the limitation cannot handle dependent text feature sufficiently. Drawbacks of deep learning method in sentiment analysis. Deep learning method have some drawbacks. I have included 4 drawbacks. A deep learning method use the big data, several level data, and this data can be complicated and cumbersome to collect and label. And deep learning network works with different types of stage layers, and its works look like a black box. CNN and then CNN tunes parameter depends, it handles the performance efficiency, so it is difficult to select the optimum hyperparameter value. Deep learning model needs high performance based hardware such as GPU with RAM, and also NVIDIA. It's a limitation. And challenges, limitations, and future works in the deep learning based sentiment analysis. First of all, lexicon based dictionary based approach can handle grammatical syntax but also have the limitation such as low accuracy, higher time complexity, dictionary to dictionary and domain dependency, but deep learning based method has higher accuracy. Unsupervised based method can works give adaptability, simplicity, higher time complexity, and low accuracy, but deep learning method gives the higher accuracy. Machine learning based approach work faster but cannot handle semantic and what dependency, but deep learning method can independent feature handle. In deep learning based approach, higher accuracy gives higher accuracy by handling independent features. There are also limitations that's handling context and syntax feature properly. Deep learning boost and quantum learning is the current trends in the future works. The area of sentiment analysis. Live sentiment analysis will also trends in the game, football match, others prediction. Is the conclusion. Deep learning model gives the higher accuracy than all other methods. Deep learning can handle coherence and syntax meanings, but it still have some lackings handling syntactic and coherence. And deep learning has the limitation on time and space complexity because it requires lot of time and hardware access to predict sentiment multi-level or single two level with greater data or big data space. And here I have included 29 references, and then special thanks to all for your kind attention to spend your valuable time towards my video. If you have any questions, then ask me directly or by another way. Thank you.